Alright, so this is my project 2, and first of all I just started with this basic marble wall, and it's a sphere with a rigid body attached to it that runs along this track, and then that in turn knocks these dominoes over that are just rigid bodies as well, and this part's a bit slow, but it'll then knock this catapult up and knock that marble up, and then it'll knock into the other marble, which will go down along this track. But down here I have some rotating platforms with little scripts attached. They just have on collision enter, and I just check it based on the name that I use in the hierarchy, and then if it's just set it to true, and then in the update, just if it's true, it'll rotate along the axis to get the next one in motion. But go ahead and restart it and talk about the cannon for a bit. But for the cannon, I just have a script on the marble colliding with it, and then also on the empty game object that I attach to the cannon that actually is where I want the cannonball to fire from. So the marble script just sets it to true. It just sets a variable to true when it makes connection with the cannon, and then that in turn lets the cannon know when it checks its update function if it's true or not. But in the cannon's update function, I basically just instantiate a prefab cannonball, and then it just applies force, and then so I don't end up instantiating millions of them. You just check that it's just check that it has fired once already, and then every time it goes to update, it'll go into another else statement, and then that just continuously adds force to the already existing cannonball, but doesn't instantiate anymore. And that's about it. Thanks.